How to appear offline on Messenger even when online. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can turn your active status off on Messenger even while you use it. Open Messenger and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top left of your screen. Here you can find the settings icon next to your profile name. Tap on it. Here you can find active status option on your screen. Tap on the option and as you can see you can find show when you're active option. And now to stay offline even while you use Messenger, make sure to untick the blue tick. To stay offline even when you are active, make sure to untick the button that you can see on your right hand side of your screen. As you press the button, pause active status option will be shown. Here you can set the offline status to either 1 hour, 8 hour, 8 or custom as you like, or until you change it back online. And tap on the pause button. Now if you go back, here you will see none of your friends are online, or neither will you be shown online to them. This way you can stay offline on Messenger even when online. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe for more, and leave down comment below if you have any further issues.